Okay, hopefully this now works. We have had mic issues in the past. Hopefully today is not one of them, but it doesn't seem like it. So we're gonna go straight for it. Welcome back everyone to the stream. It's a big day. Big day, possible tornado outbreak on the cards for today. Now I'm not sure how long I'll be here. We'll see. Today it is a moderate risk for severe weather in the St. Louis area, in the Farmington area, in the Rolla area. Oh dear me, it's not going to go well. Paducah, Jackson. There's lots of Jacksons, but in the in the Missouri's Jackson. And then in the Springfield, half it's in the slight, half it's in the enhanced risk. Little Rock, Memphis, Evansville. The other Springfield's in the enhanced risk fully. Yep. Columbia, Jefferson City, where Columbia's under it at the minute in a severe thunderstorm tornado possible tag warning. Let's have a look at all the possible risks. We'll start with the hail. Hail is a 30% hail with a hatched. Wind is 45%, and tornadoes is the big problem. 15% hatched. 15% tornado intensity group risk, which means year 3 plus is possible today. And let's get straight to radar. It looks weird. And then we have this. For the first time in a couple of years, we have a PDS tornado watch that was issued at 2:45, so a couple of hours ago. Several, and there was a few intents of these tornadoes likely. Scattered large hail with isolated very large hail events to 2.5 inches. I don't know what it is. No, I'm actually going to turn that back on because you need to hear that. If a tornado emergency comes through, you need to hear that. I need to double check it works, so I don't mind you doing it again. Just wait for it. It will do it. Yeah, okay, it worked. Perfect. No, I don't mind that. Off. There's too much. And of course, we'll run through what you'll hear if a tornado warning and that gets issued like last time. Severe thunderstorm warning issued. Considerable. Destructive, which is going to be in these colours as well. And the EDS. I've had these two. Never had this. Last time we got to here. We got this last time. We have that now. We don't have any of these yet. We will be most likely having some tonight. And this one we got 2 of last time. We're not going to get to see one. Hopefully we do not. But I'm going to go on the side that we probably will. And then this. Well, you'll hear it when you hear it. But let's hope we don't ever have to. But I'll just play it. This is what it will be. I'm double checking. It's a tornado watch. Okay, tornado watch updated the normal one. It's still a moderate 80%, 60% for tornadoes. The PDS tornado watch though is 80% for EF2 to 5. With 362,000 in it. 200 public schools though. They're probably all closed. Couple cells starting to develop in the area. We've also got some cells near Paducah, Jackson, and Marion starting to fly away. We've got a couple of storm chasers down here. We've got a new tornado warning that was just issued. For Kent Point, Mendon, Quincy, Payson, and Palmyra. This is radar indicated. Let's go back to our good thing. We got max reflectivity now. Why don't we use it? Let's use the KILX. And let's have a look for the rotation. Maybe let's go back to using Alpha radar. Here you go. Yep. It's clear. It's in there. Clear there is a rotation. Possibly in a few areas, but I would say more down south. It's either down south or a little bit up north. This will probably help us. I think here maybe. Yeah, I too agree. I think the rotation, it could be on Helton, just below Hannibal. No, there was a tornado warning earlier heading towards somewhere. Was it this one? This one was issued 17 minutes ago. I don't know. Okay, that's a new scan, but that's annoying me now. So how do I turn that off? Here we go. That's better. We also have some mesoscale discussions. 140 to 70. That's got 3.8 million people inside that. This one, 40 to 70, that is 500,000. We have this one in Little Rock. This is 120 to 45 miles per hour. That's 2.3 million people. Now then, of course, are the little severe thunderstorm warnings. This is the issue near Fall Vernon. Severe thunderstorm warning issued. No tornado tag, I believe, but it is Oh no, that's the watch. So the watch was issued. There's a low tornado chance. Is this a new warning or it's just been updated? New tornado warning was updated. Don't get it confused with upgraded and updated. This one is for Jefferson City and California, which was issued, and clear enough as day. There is definitely some rotation near Fortuna, heading towards Latham, and hopefully not towards the California area, though I will say it does look like it's going towards the Latham area. Hopefully it does not say at the minute it is on the ground. What a minute it says. I've lost it. No, up here. It does look like it could definitely produce a tornado down here very soon. I'm going to have to keep an eye on that one. It could want to be one of them beefy ones which we don't want to see. We are at a WIS of 144.57 at the minute. Oh yeah, funny story. We have some severe thunderstorm warnings up in Michigan, but there is no rain. It's wind. The winds are for some reason really big. Ooh, that's a massive mezzo, and you have a new tornado warning issued. Unless this is just updated, it's just been updated. Yeah, that's quite. You know, we have a massive mezzo for heavy rainfall that was issued alongside this tornado updated tornado warning for Bowling Green. Now this one, radar indicated. We would know if it was. To let you know, here's the sound of it when it goes off. If a observed tornado, also be a different colour. That's the sound you want to hear for. Yeah, rotation, I'd say right here. Double check that myself. Yeah, somewhere down here near Curryville will be the area. Curryville is probably the area for that rotation. 45 warnings, we've got 3 tornado, 16 severe thunderstorm. I'm trying to think about what I have to disable. 16 tornado watches, 1 special marine warning. 7 severe thunderstorm watches. These. And that. And 6 mesos, but some of them are just rain. Not I wouldn't say that they aren't just rain, they're actually important. But well, one of these watches, let's have a look at the weather that's actually inside it. Yeah, we have a thunderstorm starting to develop nearby Cassville and Pineville. So a thunderstorm warning just ahead of it near Springfield, one of the Springfields, heading straight for it. This one is a considerable one. Severe thunderstorm warning issued way up north near Fort Cresco, where there are a few storms starting to develop up north. In a system up north, here is a system. New tornado watch has been issued, I think. I think we just got a new or a updated tornado watch. Yeah, no, new tornado watch has just been issued by the National Weather Service. The remnant boundary left over by early morning storms will be an initial focus for intense storm development, including supercells. The tornado watch area is approximately along the 45 statute miles. It is not a PDS tornado watch, it is a normal tornado watch. And that is for Springfield. It has Springfield inside of it. It has Urbana, it has Charleston, it has Shelbyville, Taylorville. Now we're expecting, of course, some big tornadoes, of course, in the middle of the night. Now the only problem is I've got exams, and I can't exactly afford. That must be a new. That's overdue. That's quite a loud one, but it is just a new tornado warning that was issued. Let's go up to that one. We were looking at this one earlier. It was one of the first ones that was issued while we were watching this radar. Where are we looking? Here we go. Now last time we accepted the fact that it was in this area, but I actually have no idea where I'm looking now. Here. Not sure there. It'll probably come back soon. I don't know what's better, is reflectivity X is you don't see as much, but maximum you see a lot. I've also made sure that it is 200 scans, 3D radar, storm trails, storm tracks, miles per hour, because, well, altitude unit, tower icon. Would that be easier? Yeah, we're actually going to use that. It's less to see. We're actually going to use that instead. It's decent. No, we don't need that though. Smoothing. Look at them. I mean, out of nowhere, I actually dropped some. Yeah, I don't even know. We'll smooth it though. No, we'll smooth it. Make it good, easier to see. Nearly at 150. If I remember what 150 means, I will say. Okay, so the YouTube is lying to me on. Yeah, anyway, hang on, let me find it now. Here we go, up here. We're in the category major event. So the next phase is, well, we're almost at that point. We are almost at the extreme weather event. We're at always 150, we're at 147, and of course the 250 plus, that is 150 to 250. 250 plus is the historic event. What was the one we got to last time? I think that was about 170, I want to say. We definitely got past 150. We're keeping an eye on these tornado storms. That's a new tornado warning. Easy, that one. Alright, so new tornado warning for, let me read out the counties: Northwestern Calhoun County, Pike County, and Central Pike County. Why is the need for 2 Pike counties? Like, for me, that just doesn't make sense. That's me, though. For me, it just makes no sense. Just combine them. What's this? No, this says to be... Hang on, as you can see. I see what I see. Tornadic vortex signature, that's it. Okay, vortex signature. That's decent, we now know where it is. Signature, looks like it's going to be in the area near Macoun. And you need a Vanica conservation area. How much people does this have under? 16,000 people. I mean, I don't know if that's the right plan. Hang on, let me have a look. Oh, we're actually gonna unsmooth it. Here we go, we're gonna use this one now. We don't want it smooth, we want to be able to see it. Well, yeah, I think it's a bit more clear now what we're looking at now. Here we go, here's what we're going to look at now. Deal. I think that is over 30 scans, it means. Now we're going to have a look at this camera near Paducah. It's gauge, this is a live view. Our storm's moving, that is a continued tornado warning. Yeah, don't make it like... Now it looks correct. Yeah, not much difference. So here's what it's going to look like for the next 20 minutes. We're going to have storms moving up north. No, we're at the end of this. Now if you just track your storms that have gone. Oh dear me, I'm not doing well today. I'm actually teaching myself that. Updated tornado warning, which was the one issued earlier. For is it the Pike one? New Adams and Northwestern Brown counties. I mean counties. Hang on, I will catch the rotation. Hehe. Here we go. We got it. We got it, man. That one's clearer. Not saying they aren't clear. No, I do not want to look for India. Okay, you know what, never mind. Ooh, what's that? Oh shit. Oh, hang on a minute, this is actually how does this one happen then? Someone, please answer this question. There isn't anything. How? It's a EDS. Severe thunderstorm warning. where there's little to no rain. You don't see that. I mean, you don't see this but you don't see that a lot. You normally see it for a very severe thunderstorm, but you don't normally see it when there's clearly no rain in the area. But it's normally there's another way this can happen. It can also be high winds that impact the area. So 60 mile per hour winds that have been issued. This is affecting 298,000 people. Don't think there's going to be a lot of thunder, to be honest. But it looks like it's going to be wind damage. That is going to be the main catastrophe in the area. Oh, we got is that severe thunderstorm warning? Yeah, new severe thunderstorm warning issued from Madison near Cincinnati. We're already near Cincinnati, Ohio at this point. That's crazy. Oh no, that's the watch. This one is, that one's just going to be the one that's allowed to expire. Back to St. Louis. Or St. Louis, Missouri. Yeah. Now it says on the weather radar we have a bit of rotation in the area. It says there's rotation on a non-warned storm. Now it's telling us that the rotation is in this area here. They might actually have that right. You know, they might not be wrong there. Why have I just been Okay, they're updating the PDS tornado watch. New severe thunderstorm warning for Lebanon, Buffalo, Pleasant Hope, and just outside Phillipsburg and Conway. The PDS tornado watch has been re-updated. Still 80-80, affecting 1.6 million people. But I think these storms here, I definitely think they have a point. How has this storm, if it is correct, if I switch to another radar, let's get it right at least. Oh, it's gone. That's a new tornado warning issued. New tornado warning for Bowling Green, Curryville. That's actually outside Bowling Green. They're in a separate one. Vandalia, Falber. Better just go off the counties at this point. Southwestern Pike and East Central Audrain. I got it. Let's have a look at where the rotation is. This is the best radar. Yeah, definitely some rotation in that storm. We're going to keep an eye on it as it heads northeast. I think that was a new scan that just came through. Yep, it was. Oh, I forgot. Are we at 150 yet? No. We were for a moment. Now we dropped. 150 is a severe outbreak. One that will definitely be known. Basically. Is that tornado warning? Updated tornado warning. Up north. This is the one that we've been looking for a while now. La Prairie, Golden and Clayton. Go for it. Rotation just up here. This is near Huntsville. That one pretty clear. This one's been one where you can definitely see it on the radar. Still dropping. Yeah, I think my YouTube is a little bit stupid. Saying something's going wrong when clearly I don't think anything is. Who knows? New severe thunderstorm warning just ahead of a couple tornado warnings. Just outside the Springfield area. No tornado possible tag, but this is 60 miles per hour winds. Dear me, hang on a minute. And quarter size hail. I need to learn the hail, like off by heart. What's the other? Like if I look on this tornado warning, what we're gonna have? Tennis ball size. That is that's actually decent size hail. That's a big hail. That's a lot of hail actually. It's decent size hail actually. I was holding a tennis ball earlier. Decent size. I know people like to take pictures of the hail. That'd be a good one to take a photo of. Of course, don't go outside in a storm. I'm referring to when it's gone. This one though, outside a tornado warning, does have a tornado possible tag. Is why? Well, this is why. The point here, there's 2 ports of rotation, one just south of Griggsville and one just south of Maysville and New Salem, and just off Interstate 72. One is on Interstate 72, one is just south of Interstate 72. We got news that a school bus of children has been tripped by live power lines in Ottawa County, Michigan. I'm going to assume that is where their EDS, severe thunderstorm warning, is up north. I'm guessing it's going to be in this area. I'm guessing it's new an update of a tornado warning. Who? Is it the same one? Hang on, I got this. Yep, it says this tornado warning that is now going to hover over the 2 parts of rotation that we just mentioned a couple of minutes ago. One here, one kind of gone. It looks like more here now, just east of Griggsville and near Valley City is the better one. That's a new tornado warning issued, or it's going to be an updated one for Jefferson City. Rotation just here. This one again, very clear. I'm determined to find these videos. Okay, Republic, Missouri, there you go. This is under a considerable thunderstorm warning. We're here getting absolutely pelted by rain and wind at the minute, which is why I was a bit interested in what's going on. New severe thunderstorm warning down here. I missed it. Let me guess this one. So if one is quarter size. What do you even have for it? Oh, I was actually gonna say something like half size. We'll get there one time. Is that new tornado warning? Yes, I think that is new. No, it's updated one. Yep, new updated one. No, this is one of the new ones. It's like a sandwich. 2 tornado warnings and one in the middle, with a severe thunderstorm warning in it. Rotation would say it's more near Vandalia, but actually this is not a good radar to look at it out. Better for this one, where the tornado warning was issued, could be targeting Hang on, how long has this one got left? That one's got a while. This one's got the same time. So this one, here's the registration for here. If we look at a different radar, it's the same. You can clearly see it. I don't know what the difference is. What is the difference? Because that makes a little bit more sense. But what is the difference of these two? Just so I can see little differences, but I don't see lots of it. New severe thunderstorm warning issued for Missouri, but I can't see it. I've lost it. So for the first time, we've had a EDS severe thunderstorm warning for with no thunderstorm, and a PDS tornado watch. You don't get these a lot, by the way. Now we're having a look at tomorrow, which is the enhanced risk, which I didn't know about until about 10. It's a 5% tornado, and that's it. You ain't getting anything on Thursday, Wednesday. Nothing Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday into Monday, Monday into Tuesday. We've been live for 36 minutes, but I don't know how long we're going to be here. I said 11:15 here, 6:15 for people on the East Coast. And just in the next 15 to half an hour, basically. Okay, we're back up to 150, which means it is a not historic. It is a what was the word they used for it? Hang on, I'll get it. I got this. Don't mind, got this. It's not what I was gonna say. Extreme weather event. We are in extreme weather event at the minute. Now there's a 10% on live stream chance on Thursday, but I have no idea. Tomorrow it might, but it won't be. Trust me. Today and tomorrow are going to be the best days for it. Tuesday, no. It's all possible. So the threshold, what it's projecting is to go down and down and down, but I highly doubt that now. It has gone down. Oh, that's dramatic. That's gone horribly. This is kind of slowing down, and I have a bad feeling. I know what is going to happen. So we still have 6 hours. Ends at 5 AM here. I ain't here until 5 AM. I know what's going to happen. They're waiting for the new storms to pick up. As soon as they pick up tornado warnings, PDS, tornado emergencies. I need to be, because I know it ends, it kind of the big start is May and June, and then it's hurricane season. So don't get me wrong, you do get them out of season, you get tornado outbreaks out of season, it's happened before, but you don't get many. But you get them, and definitely if there's some in the summer, we're going live. From June 19th to September is going to be that continuous 10 weeks of possibility of going live every day, every week. Videos will go flying, so the subscribe button is necessary. There won't be much for the next month or so until June. There might be some in June, the May half term, the May break, whatever you want to call bit of half term, a week's off between late May and early June. Then for a couple of weeks it's nothing. And this is kind of just it. Maybe a bit next week if there is some severe weather next week. Possibly we'll go live, but I doubt it, as at the minute it doesn't look like there is. After that, done. But then in 2 weeks, absolutely nothing. Then we come back, maybe for a week if there is anything, which I'd say is possible. Whoa, I want to have a look at that. We can have a look at that. So this is the wind. Oh dear. So this is coming out of that EDS. And look at that. Yeah, it definitely has. It is going. It's pulling trees off. That is mad. It's just pulling the trees off. No mercy. I mean, look at this stuff. I mean, that tree's just... that tree's on the road, nearly. That tree's gone... That's the same picture. That's the same picture. That's a different picture of the same tree, it looks like, but I don't mind. Well, that one's nearly hit a house. That one's on a road. That one's on a road. Now, it would be more if that actually falls off. That's definitely on the road. That one's on the road a lot. There's even a little mini twigs and sticks. That one's on the road, and dude, that one's a big one. That one's just collapsed. You've got multiple situations of a lot of wind. Is that special marine warning? Okay, random. We have... Well, I never said we didn't have storms over there. Of course we have storms. Please tell me where. Okay, fair enough. So it's not like a tornado water spout thing. It's a high wind situation, just like up here. What we're going to do, for the sake of me having to get up for an examination tomorrow morning, we're going to go. We're going. I definitely think I might come back soon. Might post a video. Because I'm not like I'm going to have time. I'm going to have time for that. So we're going to do that. You might even turn on some cool stuff. We might do like a... In the half time we might get ready to do some stuff. Then we'll do it, and it'll be awesome. Hang on. Wait, I pressed something, now I can't get it back. Wait a minute. Wait, I got this. There you go. Okay, we'll be back soon though.